My name is Clive Badman. I work both for GlaxoSmithKline and for the University of Strathclyde. At GlaxoSmithKline, I'm in charge of pre-competitive collaboration in R&D. Continuous manufacturing is really important to the UK as a means of shortening our supply chain. At the moment, typical supply chain is anything from 1 to 2 years, and that's very long. And what we're looking to do through continuous manufacturing is to shorten that supply chain to, in the first instance, 6 months, but hopefully to get it down to 2 months, and to improve our right first time manufacturing. The objective of the program is to make us more efficient in our operation, so clearly we're looking for cost savings as we move forwards, and of course hopefully these are going to be passed on to the patient eventually. But the other thing that we're looking for is to be much more responsive, patient responsive as a supply chain, and hopefully to eliminate some of the shortages that there are with drugs at the moment. To define the process is not too difficult. Currently we're using batch manufacturing. An easy analogy to that would be cooking a pan of potatoes. You cook a batch of potatoes, and if you need more, you put another pan on. In continuous manufacturing, then we're constantly manufacturing in a tube for a synthesis, or we're constantly dealing with granulation or tableting in the formulation process. So these are ways in which running continuously reduce all of the isolation times and the waste time in manufacturing. If I could review a little bit of what CMAC has done and take a look forwards, I'm delighted with the number of proprietary projects that CMAC is being asked to do on behalf of Big Pharma. That shows a real interest in the output of the research, and we've moved into a phenomenal world-class facility in the Technology Innovation Centre in Glasgow. If I'm looking to the future, what I really would like is to create a medicines manufacturing innovation centre which will provide the UK with a centre where we can translate research out of universities and small companies into an environment where the bigger companies can test it, remove the risk, and then install it in their own facilities.